Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review, including the app link, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using InnerHour. InnerHour, a comprehensive self-care app review. InnerHour is a multifaceted self-care application designed to empower individuals in managing their mental well-being. It offers practical tools and personalized support, all within an accessible platform. Grounded in evidence-based approaches, InnerHour focuses on cultivating emotional well-being, mental clarity, and effective stress management techniques. This makes it an ideal companion for anyone striving to improve their mental health, whether navigating challenges like anxiety and depression or simply seeking to cultivate a stronger self-care practice. A cornerstone of InnerHour is its personalized self-care plans. Following a brief initial assessment, users receive a customized plan equipped with specific exercises and tools tailored to address their unique challenges. These plans integrate strategies derived from cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, mindfulness practices, and positive psychology, all scientifically validated approaches for effectively managing mental health. InnerHour distinguishes itself further with its diverse range of in-app tools. These resources include mood trackers to monitor emotional fluctuations, breathing exercises to promote relaxation, journaling prompts to encourage self-reflection, and guided meditations to foster inner peace. All these features work in concert to help users cope with stress and anxiety. The app also incorporates detailed progress tracking, empowering users to observe their improvement over time. This feature reinforces motivation and helps maintain momentum towards achieving mental health goals. One of InnerHour's most significant strengths lies in its user-friendly interface. The app is intuitive and visually calming, ensuring accessibility for individuals of all levels of experience with mental health apps. The diverse range of options, from quick exercises to more comprehensive self-help programs, ensures there's something for everyone. In conclusion, InnerHour is an excellent choice for anyone searching for an accessible, affordable, and effective mental health app. Whether you are managing existing mental health concerns or simply aiming to enhance your emotional well-being, InnerHour provides the tools and support you need to cultivate a healthier, happier life.